Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So what is your name?
Yung Puglares po.
So what are you applying for?
Security intern.
So can you tell me about yourself?
I am a young student who loves to learn about people and discipline. I also play basketball at school and want to experience working as a security intern.
So next, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is being responsible, respectful, and alert. My weakness is being shy at first, but I can adjust easily.
So why do you think you are qualified for this position?
I am qualified because I am disciplined, observant, and willing to learn how to keep the school safe.
So where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself as a police officer serving and protecting people.
So my second to the last question is, how do you handle stress or challenges?
I handle stress by staying calm and focused. I work well with others and help my term when there are challenges.
So what makes you stand out from other applicants, sir?
I am dedicated, respectful, and serious about learning. I always give my best in everything I do.
So any final message to your interviewer?
Thank you for the chance. I will do my best to learn and to good example during my work immersion.
So that would be all. I will call you if you are hired to our company, sir. So that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.